Hey guys, it's Eman again. This is the second video I'm doing this evening, and I am doing them for the hashtag Plantable January 2021. The theme this week is muted colors, and so I thought, since it's the beginning of the new year and there's a lot of things that I want to change, I want to do a lot of self-care, a lot of thoughtful or mindful things. And I thought this spread could reflect that. So what I've done so far is, I didn't think that you guys needed to see this. I had put some white address labels. I covered up January and I covered up the date here because of the spread that I'm doing. And these labels I get, they are from the Dollar Tree, and they're only well, they're $1. And you get 18 shipping labels. So it's the Dollar Tree, not Dollar General, that I get them. And it's the Jot brand. So what I do is I use those. I cut them to size for whenever I need to cover up stuff. So let's get started. I'm going to use some of this thin washi. I was thinking about layering the washi, but I think it'll take away from the design that I'm going for. I'm not sure if I want the gold to be up or down. Here, let's do it down. It'll probably be prettier that way. No, it'll be prettier up because then it'll show. Okay, so let's get that started. And the blue may seep through, but that's all right. Actually, it covers it up pretty nicely. Oh, I wanted to tell you also, I'm using the Dream Seeker book. This one I had gotten a while back, and I used it for a monthly spread. However, I keep going back to it. I think I love the book. The colors are absolutely gorgeous, and the stickers are just beautiful. However, these stickers kind of baffle me, and the stickers that are curved kind of baffle me. I don't know why, but they do. Maybe they're intimidating to me. So I'm trying at least one of them in this spread. All right, let's see. Sorry if you hear any noise. Right now there's no noise, but if you hear any noise, you know I record downstairs. I need to really change my location for lighting as well as the noise, but my sons do, I don't know if I mentioned, my sons do a sports YouTube channel. And they have their setup down here. And they actually had the setup before I started doing planning videos. So, so I'm using their space, actually. Okay. I went out today to run a couple of errands. And wow, it's so nice. Like, this weather is so crazy. I'll take it, but it's just so crazy. 1 minute we're freezing cold. And I can hear the wind howling outside, but it's really not that cold. Like today, I think the high was 40. So you'd be good just going out with, like, I don't know, a sweatshirt. I mean, if you're walking around, definitely you'd need a coat. But I think for now, a sweatshirt is okay. All right, we're almost done with that. I cannot say enough about this thin washi. Like, it is so pretty and it is so practical. Okay, so here is the setup. It's very simple. But I think it packs a big punch. So let me go ahead and add this. I want to make sure that you guys can see it. Add this right here up to the top. And then this guy I'm putting in the corner. I want to kind of even out the big stickers on each side. So put that down there. Oh, and the washi goes so nicely with that. Okay, and then here's one of those straight top rounded stickers. And it says anything is possible if you've got enough nerve. And this whole week is going to be all about reflection in this journal for me. So I hope that I think it'll be okay if you could see a little bit of the blue. It doesn't take away from it. I really don't like the fact that these pages are colored. I mean, it's pretty, but I really wish they had this cover with just neutral. I don't know, maybe they did, and I thought the colors were pretty. I don't know, but now that I've got it and I'm working with it, I wish it was neutral. This sticker says, inhale courage, exhale fear. So that's going to go down there. And see, I think it's set up. It's setting up pretty nicely. Okay, now these, excuse me. Let's go ahead and lay down the biggest sticker. I added a flower to this sticker because it was so empty over here. So I added this little flower. I wonder if I can move it. Excuse me. I don't want to ruin it. But if I can move it down a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and then I want to get this guy in the corner to kind of even out the other one on the other side. That one goes there. And then the mantra, this says, I added a sticker to this, it says mantra. And I was looking up mantras, and it all has to do, everything, any mantra has to do with what it's about you. Whether it's about love, whether it's about self-care, whether it's about, being positive. And they recommend that if you do have a mantra, it should be short enough that you can remember it. And the one that I saw that I really liked a lot, and this is so basic, but it's so simple, and it was, I am still. And so that's what I'm going to write in this, is I am still, because sometimes with this life being as crazy as it is, it's hard to just be still and get into your own thoughts. Okay, and the last sticker that I have is about feeling. And I recently started my daily duo, and I haven't been doing, plan with me's and that, just because it's, it's my daily routine, and I'm adding works related stuff to it. So I don't really want to, have to go through planning with that one. I might change my mind, but what I've been doing in that is I've been writing my mood every day just to keep track of my moods. And it's not that my moods are bad or anything. It's just I want to be like I said, mindful of my environment. I want to be mindful of, you know, I need to lose weight. So I want to be mindful of what my mood is, you know, on a day where I don't eat healthy or I do eat healthy. So it's all about, this whole year is about living a serene life and just taking care of myself. I feel like I'm old enough that I deserve that right now. So this one says, it's a little sticker that I'm adding, and it says feeling. So I'm going to go ahead and add that sticker right here. And I think that's straight. Excuse me. So this is, I don't know if I really like that blue showing, but it's going to show on this side if I move it. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it. So anyway, again, I used the Dream Seeker book for this layout. And there you go. That is my, you know what? Maybe I could add a little bit of something here. Hold on one second. Could I add another flower? Maybe something small. Let me see if I could add a little, like a leaf and a little flower on there. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, so I think that's that. Hold on. I'm seeing these branches or these leaves. I'm thinking, oh yeah, that would be so pretty right there too. Okay, so that's cute. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do. So anyway, so there you go. This is my week of January 11th through the 17th. And again, it's hashtag Plantable January 2021. And this week is the muted tone. So I hope you like it, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.